Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a really exciting topic. That's all about enhancing your listening experience on your rooted Android device. We're going to show you how to install the incredible DTS Sound Infinix Zero Ultra Magisk module to get that rich, full, and dynamic audio quality right on your phone. If you've been looking for a way to get a premium, almost cinematic audio experience, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started. Now, before we jump into the fun part, let's quickly cover a few things you'll need. This module has a few specific requirements to ensure a smooth and successful installation. First, your device must be rooted with either Magisk or KernelSU installed. Second, your phone's processor architecture needs to be either ARM64 V8A or ARMEA by V7A. And finally, your device needs to be running on Android 8.0, SDK 26, or a newer version. If you check all those boxes, you are ready to go. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get our hands dirty. The very first step is to download the DTS Sound Magisk module file. You'll find the link for that in the video description below. Once you have the zip file saved on your phone, open up the Magisk app. From the Magisk home screen, you'll want to head over to the Modules section. It's the icon that looks like a puzzle piece at the bottom right. Once there, you'll see a button that says Install from Storage. Tap on that, and a file browser will pop up. Navigate to where you saved the DTS module and select the zip file. Magisk will then automatically begin flashing the module to your system. You'll see a text log on the screen as the process completes. Once it's done, you'll see a big Reboot button. But hold on, don't tap it just yet. If you're already using another audio mod on your phone, like a custom equalizer or a different sound enhancement module, it's essential that you install the AML Magisk module as well. After both modules are successfully installed, now you can go ahead and reboot your phone. And that's it. Once your phone boots back up, the DTS sound from the Infinix Zero Ultra will be fully integrated. You can now head into your sound settings or your favorite music player to start exploring the new audio profiles and options. You should immediately notice a difference in clarity and depth. Before we wrap up, I have a big announcement for all of our viewers watching from around the globe. Big news for our global viewers. Our channel now has YouTube's automatic dubbing feature. This means if you don't understand English, you can now watch our videos in your local native language. Just select your preferred audio track in the video settings. So easy. Enjoy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.